Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install sales strategies with Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install sales strategies with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify dashboard. Click on the Apps section located in the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, select Visit Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to find apps that enhance sales strategies. Look for popular sales apps recommended for beginners. Once you've found an app that interests you, click on it to view the details. Review the app description and user ratings carefully. If you decide the app fits your needs, click on the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the app into your Shopify store. After the app is installed, return to your Shopify dashboard. Next, find the newly installed app in your Apps section. Open the app to explore its features and settings. If necessary, sign up or create an account within the app. Configure the app settings based on your specific business goals. Customize the sales features to align with your brand identity. Many apps offer tutorials for setting up different sales strategies. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's support documentation. Once everything is set up, preview the changes on your store. Test the features to ensure they are functioning correctly. Launch your updated store to your customers. Monitor customer interactions with your new sales strategies. Analyze sales data to measure the effectiveness of the installed strategies. Make adjustments as needed based on performance insights. Continue to explore and integrate additional sales tools for growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.